Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a project share for scrapdivadesigns.com. Today I'm making some embellishments. This is the information. I will have it linked in the description below. I do have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. You can save throughout the entire website. Also, follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, I'm starting off with the soda bottle shaker. It comes with 9 pieces. The size is approximately 5 and 5/8 by 2 1/4. So you get 9 pieces, and these are all the pieces, the base and a layering piece, as well as the shaker maker and a cap. You also get the label and the label base. So this is what I created here. I am using the Maggie Holmes collection. It's called Road Trip. I will have that linked in the description below. I picked it up from scrapbook.com. And I'm also using the straw from the cocktail glass shaker. It's a 10-piece die set. And so here I'm featuring it as well. And this is the straw. You didn't see a cocktail embellishment from me because this one was defective. There was a defective one that went out to all the design team members, and so I didn't get the one that was perfected. But the straw worked fine, and all of the other dies are just fine. I will have that linked below as well. I do have the faux acetate word ephemera dangling from the top of the soda embellishment. And so in the middle I did use the soda words that comes with the soda bottle shaker die set, and I just layered it with a backing of white cardstock and some fun foam from Hobby Lobby. So the back is nice and neat, as well as the front. I did use some glitter as well as some chunky glitter from Michaels, and it comes in a bottle. And so decorated also using the leaves from the flower collection. So next off is the jellyfish die set. It comes with 12 pieces. You get 2 sizes, a small and a large. I'm also using a mini layer bow, which is sold out already. That is an old die that came out probably about a year and a half ago. I'm also using the summer words called surfing here. And I also paired it with the 3D sand bucket, which has 32 pieces. And I'm only using the 2 pieces for the shovel for the bucket. So I made it into a little sand bucket shovel with the jellyfish on top. I just think it came out so cute, and I love the colors. I did scrounge for the Sunny Days collection and found a piece that I was able to use here. So using up my scraps from the Sunny Days collection by Maggie Holmes, here I'm featuring the 3D sand bucket die set. So this is all of the die sets still available if you'd like to pick that up. It will be linked below as well. So here I'm showing you the Summer's word number 2 die set, and I'm using the word surfing. And there it is there right under fishing. And I just like how it turned out. I added some charms that were gifted to me by my buddy Becky Long. I will have her linked below as well. So the next embellishment that I'm showing you is the flower pot gift card holder. It's currently on pre-order. It comes with 18 pieces. So look at all these pieces, as well as the zigzag pinwheel 9-piece. It comes with 3 sizes, and here I'm featuring all 3 sizes. I also paired it with the word picnic from the Summer Words number 2 die set, and I just stuffed them in the flower pot. So here is the die set for the zigzag pinwheel. it does come with the layering piece there that I'm showing you. I'm moving it to the base, and I wasn't able to use that one because my cardstock is double-sided. So when you're not using double-sided cardstock, you can use those layers there, and it'll give you 2 colors on your pinwheel, which looks amazing. So I'm glad that is included as well, because I know I have made pinwheels in the past and I've used only a single-sided cardstock, and I had to double layer, and it wasn't fun to do that. However, I did it and I made it happen. And in this case, you don't have to do that. It cuts corners for you, and that's what I love. So I also die cut some words there and cheers, different colors. I did the yellow and the black, and I ended up going with the pink. So I love how the faux acetate word ephemera looks in different colors. So I just love the pink and the black so far. I have to try all of the other colors, but those are my favorite so far. And I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. If you have any questions, link them below and I would be glad to answer them. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.